talk about relationships very much on this channel, but one thing that my audience does know is that Ms. Wade has been very critical into my development as a professional in my career, in my life, is also a person that helps me continue to do more. You said it, a partner.
Yes.
A partner. Tell the audience why having a partner is critical to you reaching a level of success that you've been able to achieve in your life.
That is very easy to explain, in my opinion. When you are going to do something that is, everything that I do is always like outside of the box, right? And I usually, when I tell someone I'm going to do X, that person always take a pause and turn and look, said, are you serious? You're going to do what? But when I tell that to my wife, she embraces it. She's like, okay, so how are we going to do it? How are we going to make it happen? Yeah. What can I do to making sure that to support you?
Right.
So that's the type of partnership you want in your life, right? So I always tell people that are asking me, so what is the key to success? The key to success is finding someone that you can share the same virtue, someone you can share what you truly believe, your beliefs, what you want to do in life. That person can share it and respects it. That's the person you want to be with. So that is the key for me, being able to have a partner when I have some crazy idea. She doesn't say like, I'm not sure, we have to pay the bills, we have to do. She's like, okay, so how do we get that done? So what can I do to support? That's the keys to success.
I'm laughing, Ray, because of the fact that, and Ms. Wade is probably watching this right now because she's in the chat. Mm-hmm. It's funny how that happens, right? Is, I've moved my wife all over the world and continue to move her. Matter of fact, to the point where she's getting home today and we have to work on getting this house unpacked, right? Mm-hmm. If I was to say tomorrow we are going to India because my job wants me to be there, you know what Ms. Wade would say? Okay, let's go. Right?
Same for my wife, yes.
Let's go. All right. What do you need for me to help you do a better job?
Yep.
What do you need from me to take a little bit of the burden off your plate? Because when you come home, I know you're going to be stressed. I want to what else can I do to make it easier for you? Right? That's the importance of having a supportive spouse. Yes. That's the importance of having a partner that will allow for you to focus on the things that you need to focus on to become better in life, not just for yourself, but for the entire family as well, too.
That is true. I didn't really hit my strides, not until after my wife started to become part of my life, and we met in college. So at that time, she said to me that I saw something, and in the class, we had a class together. She says, this guy is gonna be someone. I want to be with him. So she was telling me what she was thinking, and I didn't think I would dare to be seen with a girl like at that caliber. I didn't even bother, right? And then so she seeked me out, and then she said, I was looking for you on campus. I couldn't find you, so I had to go ask the dean how can I find you around. So she got the dean involved to find me. So, and I was, she says, there's something about you that I knew that you were going to do good. And I wanted to be part of it, and I wanted to support. So that started way in college. So these are the types of people that you want to be in your life. If you're looking for a partner, anyone who's looking for a partner, you want to make sure that that partner shares your beliefs or your goal, your vision. If the partner doesn't support that, then you're going to be having a tough time to become someone, to achieve your goals. Even though you may be the most brilliant person in the world, you need to have a strong partner supporting you.
I love it, Ray. But I want to hit on something else because I love this relationship topic, and I'm gonna drill into this a little bit more. And guys, we're going to get to your questions. We're definitely going to get to your questions on here as well. And Mr. Research, thank you for the super chat. We're definitely going to get to that question.
Yeah.
I think a lot of times we think that we're going to find a partner that's going to get on our program or want to support us. But one of the things that you've demonstrated this entire conversation was that you are a peak performer. She saw that. She sought that out in you. You've demonstrated that. Not only to her, you demonstrated that to everybody. So when you're demonstrating that to everybody, you're a leader in your environments that you're in. You are looking ahead. You're constantly looking ahead. You got some people, but that's behind you that are going to want to follow you. And typically those are women. And typically those are women, but the right one is going to jump out ahead of you to get your attention.
Yes.
And she saw something in you. I'm sure many other women did as well too, right? But she saw something in you and said, you know what? I love the direction this guy's going. He's straight, he's clean, he has his head on right. I want to be part of that. And ultimately, when you got with her, she continued to see that you were achieving success and accomplishing the things that you said you were going to accomplish. That's the most important part of it.
Yes.
You have to demonstrate success and also continue to demonstrate success in order for, in my opinion, your partner to get on your program and allow for you to lead.
Yes. And also it also comes with, trials and tribulations, because you're going to go through some tough times.
Yes.
And you're going to hear as we progress in our talk about my tough times. Even today, after all the successes I've had in my life, there's still tough times because, we're all here. The name of the show is Black Heights. I want you to know that the toughest thing that I've ever faced in my life, it's not politics, it's not knowledge, it's not technical things. It has to do with one thing. It has to be the color of your skin. That's what has been the biggest obstacle for me in my career. And it's kind of funny. Ronnie, who's now here, can attest to this, that I am in Poland, which is a monolithic society. They're pretty much a white society, right? But I feel much more comfortable to reach my peak here in Poland versus back home. It hurts me to say this. And then you guys will see as I'm talking, see why I'm saying this. My country, the United States of America, is one of the greatest country on earth, but we do have a fundamental problem. And until we can solve this problem that we have, some of us will be successful. You're going to have the Oprah Winfreys of the world. You're going to have the Denzel Washingtons of the world. They've went through their trials and tribulations as well until they become successful. But for the majority of us, it is very daunting to get somewhere. Can you imagine me in the United States building a cybersecurity operations center? It would be tough for me to accomplish, but coming here to Poland, sharing my skill set with the Polish government, letting them understand what I'm all about, see what I can do, and with some investments on my own, I'm able to do it because the people that I'm going to support believe in me beyond the color of my skin. They care more of the content versus the color.
I love that. I love that. I love that. And you hit it. You hit it right. I think that's important. I think that's very, very important. But also I want to just make sure that our audience understands that, yes, we're going to experience the trials and they're going to be hard, right?
Yes.
I'm just going to say it right now. You're going to go on the journey no matter where you are, and you're going to have your ups and downs.
Yep.